Hey guys, George from SME here, and today we're covering another one of Vizlib's awesome value add products for Qlik Sense. And in today's, we're going to cover the Mekko chart. So in the Vizlib library, the Vizlib Mekko chart allows you to basically take time series or even different attributes of data, break it out into what looks like a stacked bar chart, but there's a few little twists that make this really a great visual representation of your data. So let's go ahead and hop into my demo to see what I mean. So in this case, what we have a chart that's showing sales for particular products as well as different countries over time. So on the x-axis, we've got our different months. The colors are basically our countries. So in this case, we have 4 countries, and we have a filter for products over here. Now, what's interesting to note here is that unlike a stacked bar chart, all of the bars are equal heights. But what's showing is that you have the heights in the individual pieces as well as the width to show you how things are made up. So in this case, if I select a product as Apple, you can see here that clearly May has more sales than a June or July. And you can see that countries such as Finland and the United Kingdom have a lot more sales in terms of apples compared to Sweden and the Netherlands. And you have the percentages right there within the chart, so you can see how things are made up. It's a very easy chart to read because you're literally just using your eyes to see, hey, is this wider than this or is this taller than this? It's very easy to interpret. Now, what does Vizlib bring to the table? Well, with all of their products, they've got a lot of different ways that you can customize it and make these charts your own. So in this case, you have options for the styling. How do you want to show your borders between your different blocks, or no borders, or let's do a breakout. And you also have ways of using colors to make your chart a little bit more dynamic. So in this case, we're looking at it by sales volume and making almost like a heat map. But in the next sheet, you're going to see that you're also able to create thresholds within there where you have specific thresholds so that they're colored in a specific way. So all of this really is a great way. I call it visual analytics because it's just a chart that you can look at and determine how things are right there without needing to do some deep digging into the analysis. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and you think that the Mekko chart is as awesome as I think it is. So if you want to learn more about Vizlib, its library, or SME, feel free to go to our website at smesgroup.com, where we've got a ton of blogs, articles, videos, and as well as you can reach out to us directly on there. So until next time, have a good one, guys.